What's up, everybody? P Double's back again on Flawless Friday. Why? Because we just filled some more Flawless on Friday. That's why. What? We gonna get up into some MOJO. Some MOJO. Woo-woo. First order of business. We gotta figure out which one of these two we're actually gonna be cracking this round. So we get one die. Boom. We've got two up top. There we go. There we go. Two up top, three down below. So if we roll a 1, 2, or 3, it'll go to 2. 4, 5, 6 is the bottom one. 1, 2, 3, top. 4, 5, 6, bottom. Five. Bottom. Take it up. Oh, thank you, Denal. Bottom one. Bottom one was number 3. Alright. So then we go this way with it. Let's get them out of here. Hold your breath. Oh, flawless. Not a flaw at all. Not a flaw at all. This way. Here they are. Bang. This one will do 1, 2. Alright, let's roll the dice. Oh, MVL, thank you. I'm nervous, dude. If you saw me open the first 2 boxes of this stuff, I'm nervous. This stuff, it's just too nice. It's too nice. Alright, 1, 2, 3 will be 1, 4, 5, 6 will be the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 again. We're trending downward. So put number 1 away on the shelf. We are trending. All right. So we have number 2 selected. I'm going to show you the names of the participants just to make sure everybody. I know, Sticks. If you all didn't notice, I learned. I learned by watching Chris today. I flipped that box upside down and I let them all just kind of fall into the hand. These are the players for this box. Please let me know if there are any discrepancies. But this is who I have for this box. Box break. Surface Steve with 2. Tennessee Fan. Bean Man. D-Mac. David Lee. A. Grimm. And then Denali Kid. Mitch 2020 joined in a very, very special way. And D. Murray, where did you go? We just filled another one since you've been in. You must be on that riding that metro train or something. All right. All right, so those are the players. Box break. Surface Steve with 2. Tennessee Fan. Bean Man. D-Mac. David Lee, A. Grimm, Denali Kid, Mitch 2020 got in on that special. All right. Oh no, sir! I didn't know you had eye surgery, dude. Did you have the LASIK done? There's box number 2. Here we go. I know Doug likes his breaks. I'm surprised. Oh yeah. There is something about this. It really is. It's just damn sexy. All right. Two, 4, 6, 8. Wow. There's supposed to be 30 in here. We were shorted one. 2, 4, 6, 8. Yeah. The one touch ready for the first card anyway. Alright. I like the way we've been doing. I do this every time. Forget every time. I just go to opening. Alright. Wow. One on this side. There wasn't one on this side on the other two. There's only the one. Alright. Y'all didn't see anything, did you? No. Alright. Damn. Alright. On to happier fun things. We got Big Dick Sherman. Game worn 2 color. That is filthy. Big Dick. 7 of 25. Yeah, very nice. Very nice. Alright. Yeah, ain't much love for him. If you don't like the Seahawks. Alright, next up. Zach Ertz for the Eagles, 2 of 25. 2 of 25. We've seen this already today. 12 of 14, jersey number 101, and this is a full signature. Usually you don't see a full signature like this. Josh Gordon. 12 of 14, jersey number. Surfa, no, random. It's been random all day. All day. Oh, did you have the number 1? Oh, okay. You sit in the number 1 slot. Yeah, I like that Josh Gordon. Man. I just wish he was a little better. 1 of 15, Zach Stacy. 2 color. Chunky. Chunky, chunky. 1 of 25, 0-1. Comes with an ounce. Next card. Also numbered to 10. Keenan Allen. A little bubbling there on the sig. Little bubbles. 4 of 10. Next one is really cool. Really cool. 4 of 10. All right. Very cool card. 10 of 25. J.J. Watt. That's sick. Sick. So sick. Yep. I do too. When I saw it, I was like, oh, yeah, I like that. That's I was like, next card is cool. Really cool. Fine. Well, if you're a fan of the game, you'll like this next one too. I've met this man many, many times. What the fuck is that last card? Numbered 4 of 5. Hall of Fame class of 96. Fran Tarkenton. Sick. I love me some Fran. You know what this card is? That's incredible. What? Emerald. And yeah, I'm going to apologize for this one. Alex Smith, 5 of 10. I think we know which card the briefcase is going to go with. Right there. Alex Smith. I'm not in it. Not in this one. I've been trying. That's all good. Was he good? Yeah, he was really good. There's your Alex Smith. I was for a minute. I was. But yeah, it got filled up. Alright, let's go with this one. Diamond for the Giants. Odell Beckham, 2 of 20. Sick. Encased diamond. Yeah, I love me some Fran Tarkenton. Here he is, your ODB. Love my Odell Beckham. For sure. Alright, you ready? Ready for it? It's sick. Bang. For the Cowboys, 3-color. Tony Romo. 19 of 25. Yep. Yep. Especially, oh my lord, could you imagine if they pull off the Super Bowl this year? What? All right. Let me type all the hits in. Type all the hits into the rando. Let's see what y'all get. Crazy. Yeah, solid box right there, I think. Big Dick Sherman is solid. So yeah, Alex Smith, and the briefcase. Alex Smith and the briefcase. Odell Beckham. Beckham Diamond. And Tony Romo. All right. Oh, I was like, where's my sheet? I don't have a sheet yet. All right, let's roll the dice. See how many times we're going to randomize the lists. Actually, that is the bumper. Hard 8 coming out. Hit me. Woo woo. Hard 8. All right. Here are the players. We're going 8 times. Box break. Surface Steve with 2. Tennessee Fan, Bean Man, D-Mac, David Lee, A. Grimm, Denali Kid, and Mitch 2020. Here we go. That's right. We hadn't even randomized yet. Good luck. 1. Going 8 times. David Lee up top. Surface Steve down below. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8th and final time. Good luck, everybody. No, this is not draft order. This is just randomizing names. Here we go. Good luck. PC Loving Mojo 8 times. David Lee up top. Tennessee Fan down below 8 times. There is your numbers. We'll do the hits right after. So remember your number. Remember your numbers. Let me copy and paste. Again, please forgive me. I am a man of routine. So I gotta do this in order. Paste. Bold. 14. Alright. Let's do the hits. Here they come. 8 times. That was the order they were pulled out of the box. Big Dick Sherman, Zach Ertz, Josh Gordon, Zach Stacy, Keenan Allen, J.J. Watt, Fran Target, and Alex Smith. And that comes with the briefcase, Beckham Diamond, and the Romo auto patch. 8 times. Good luck, everybody. Thank you all again. Here we go. Beckham up top, Fran down below. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8th and final time. Good luck, everybody. Thank you all again. PC Love and Mojo 8 times. Romo up top, number 1. Zach Ertz down below. There we go. Alright, let me copy and paste, and I will read them all out. Copy. Paste. Bold. 14. Excuse me. David Lee with the Romo. B-Man with a Big Dick Sherman. Box break. J.J. Watt. Denali Kid. Zach Stacy. Surface Steve with the Alex Smith and the briefcase. Mitch 2020. Beckham Diamond. D-Mac. Fran. Surface Steve. Josh Gordon. A. Grimm. Keenan Allen. And Tennessee Fan. Zach Ertz. There we go. Thank you all. Shake it up. Flawless is what it is. You love about 10% of it. All right. Get a printout on this. No. The Gordon's not 101. jersey. It was jersey number 12 of 14. It was the eBay 101. Jersey number 1. That was it. 12 of 14. DMAC, if you want, absolutely. I'll mark it on my sheet here. Just I'll do it after I log off for the night, though. Game to email. Absolutely. You want me to send it to the PayPal email that you send? It'll be easy for me to find because I'm sure I'll be poking around in PayPal tonight. All right, cool. That'll work. All right, give me about 20 seconds. Let me stop the broadcast this time. I'll be right back. Let's get up into box number 4. Let's do it.